Today we're going to show you what happens to galvanized pipe. Nick, this is your heart on donuts and French fries. It's so hard. It's like rusted hard. That's not even the worst of it. This is the rest of it. Look at that. Can you get a good shot of that?
Oh yeah, that's yummy.
Look at that. Okay, that's part of it. This is the other end. This whole thing, if I cut this open, here, look at that one. Why won't my sink drain? Look at the size of that hole that it's supposed to go down. That is the thickness of a pencil eraser.
Oh, I see.
Let's cut this open. Let's show the audience what happens in this piece. Copper good, galvanized bad.
Gross.
Oh, it smells like poop. Ugh. There you go, folks.
Oh my god, it's like a freaking meatball.
Why won't my sink drain?
Oh my god.
Holy crap. What is that?
It's like a meatball.